We are in Bushkill Falls, Pennsylvania. Restrooms, plenty of parking, entrance. So it's Memorial Day weekend. It's about 60 degrees, beautiful. These are the most popular trails that you can take. We took the red trail, which goes to all the waterfalls, and it is mostly for hikers. It's about 2 hours. This is the entrance. We have decided to do the red trail. So it's very busy. It's Memorial Day weekend, and it's basically packed. This is our first waterfall. This is stop number 1. This is right at the beginning of the trail. So we have 6 kids with us. The youngest one is 3. The oldest one is 10. And we're taking the red trail, which is the most difficult and longest one. So we'll see how that goes for us at the end. You know, this is going to be a test to see if the kids could do it. This is gorgeous. So they call Bushkill Falls the Niagara of Pennsylvania, and it honestly is stunning. It's beautiful. It's a little misty. Everything is wet, and you can see even though it's sunny, and that's because you can feel the mist coming from this waterfall. And this is just waterfall number 1. There's 7 more. It's 8 waterfall totals. This is also a very neat angle. Really beautiful. I cannot believe this was about an hour and a half from our house in New Jersey. So you have to be careful because this is slippery, and our kids have slipped a little bit. So wear grippy shoes. If you can wear shoes like these are Vesties. They're also waterproof. Great for hiking. So this is Bridal Veil Falls for hikers only. This is a very long, steep walk over natural rocky trail. Oh wait, let's see if our kids can do this. We have a 3-year-old all the way to 10-year-olds. We have 6 kids with us, 6 adults. This is gonna be a challenge. I feel like if our kids can do it, anybody could do it. Lower George Falls. So the red trail is the only trail where you can see all 8 waterfalls. They do have shorter trails. The blue one is about an hour and 15 minutes. The yellow is about 45 minutes. And then there's one that's about 15 minutes. But we chose to do the long one to see all the waterfalls. Why not? The railings ends. And now we have all these rocks. You have to be careful. You can also bring dogs on the trail, and you can take them for a walk. Hiking is such a great form of exercise. Just walking over rocks, climbing, different terrains, fresh air, water. Such a great day to spend Memorial Day in a healthy way, together as a family. This is a pretty steep area, but the kids did well. This isn't too bad. Very doable, actually. Very safe with the railing everywhere. Really well built. Excellent place to take kids, especially in the spring or fall. It's shaded everywhere, lots of trees, lots of ticks, and tree ray repellent.
Hey guys, this is the old-fashioned way how to wash your hands. Right here, if you see the current running down, then you just wash your hands, and then you just spray it.
So these stairs are really steep going up the waterfall.
Guys, so there is a dead fish right here. Right over there. Next to that rock, there is some dead fish.
There's also a snake in the water.
Snake right there.
Wow. This is just the flat part through the forest after going up. It's kind of relaxing. Little muddy. Going through the woods. There's definitely a lot of kids, even on the red trail. Even though it's long, but it's not that hard. There's a lot of benches, garbage cans. It's kind of fun to walk around. So I think this is the Poconos Falls trail and the Poconos Falls. This is like the top of the trail. This goes back up. This is really cute. The tickets were $22 for adults and $12 for ages 4 to 10. So under age 4 it's free. So there is this sort of flat area. With a bench to sit on. There is also a place to wet your feet. It's closer to the water. It's like a nice place to take a break. This is station number 16, Pine Grove. Nice and flat. Lots of room to run around. Still next to the water. Lots of people. That's still enough room to spread around. So now we are towards the end of the trail. It's so easy. Once you get on top, then it's a flat area, and then to come back it's very easy. It's just a little bit of going up and then it's going back down. So the hardest part is the beginning of the red trail. The rest of it is really a piece of cake. This is the map. We're almost at the end. So we're almost at the end, and it did take us about 2.5 hours with very frequent breaks with the kids. And probably even less than that. They open at 9, so coming in the morning is a good idea. They have these lookout areas to take pictures, to rest. The same price no matter which trail you pick. but the red trail is the longest. It's about 2.5 hours. Very doable. I think it's worth the price. It's the same price whether you're doing yellow, which is 45 minutes, or blue, which is an hour and a half, or green, which is like 15 minutes. So the red trail was very doable, even with our 3-year-old. And so I think if you're gonna pay the money, just do the red trail. There is a snack shack. This is at the end of the trail. Snack bar, souvenir shop. Sit and eat.
Qué cómodas son estas sillas.